There are always new gadgets coming out that can make your home and kitchen work better for you. I have listed the best 20 newest Amazon gadgets that are useful, simple to use, and can help with everyday tasks. Whether it's cooking, cleaning, or just making things more convenient, these gadgets are worth checking out. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Sensart Cookware. 1.5 quart and 2.8 quart saucepans, 8-inch and 10-inch frying pans, 10-inch sauté pan, 10-inch grill pan, 2 removable handles, 8-inch and 10-inch glass lids, 5 pot protectors, and 2 fridge storage lids. The stackable design with detachable handles saves up to 70% storage space, ideal for cabinets or RVs. Handles support up to 22 pounds and are professionally tested for stability. Granite non-stick coating is free from lead, cadmium, and PFOA, ensuring safe, healthy cooking with minimal oil. Dishwasher safe with a wear-resistant bottom to prevent residue buildup. Compatible with all stove tops, including induction, due to its thick, flat bottom and high magnetic conductive base. Henixon Dumpling Making Kit. Even beginners can craft beautifully wavy-shaped dumplings quickly. Also suitable for making empanadas, pierogi, ravioli, wontons, pot stickers, gyoza, fried pies, and small dessert pastries. The art-designed bottom ensures safe, even dough cutting without hand injuries, making it convenient and child-friendly. Provides a professional seal to prevent dumplings from leaking during boiling. For better sealing, moisten the dumpling edges with water or egg before pressing. Significantly reduces workload and preparation time, allowing the creation of numerous bite-sized dumplings swiftly. Compact design ensures minimal storage space usage. Mad Shark Chef Finger Guards. Stainless steel finger guard offers 360-degree protection, ensuring safety while slicing. Suitable for both left and right-hand use, it features a streamlined design for comfortable wear. Lightweight, it feels almost weightless even during prolonged use. Constructed from premium 304 stainless steel, it's highly durable and resistant to knife attacks. Adjustable guard ring fits most finger sizes, making it a versatile kitchen tool for the entire family. Silvox Kitchen TV. Built-in app store supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and device screencasting, allowing access to favorite shows and news. Features a 1920 by 1080 resolution with a 170 degrees viewing angle for crisp visuals. Foldable screen with a 90 degrees flap down and 360 degrees rotation ensures optimal viewing angles. Can be installed inside cabinets or under roofs, making it ideal for busy kitchens. Easy setup requires only a few screws and a screwdriver, taking less than 30 minutes. Kitchen Art Spice Rack. Constructed from durable plastic, this seasoning carousel is built to last. Holds up to 12 different spices and rotates for easy access. Twist the dial for a precise 1/4 teaspoon measurement without the need for measuring spoons. Sleek design allows for easy storage and organization. Comes with 55 spice labels and can stack up to 48 different spices, eliminating messy cabinets. Perfect for mounting under a cabinet or shelf. Pipi-shell Bamboo Expandable Drawer. Ideal for storing small items like cutlery, jewelry, stationery, and tools. Suitable for kitchen, living room, bedroom, and utility room applications. Designed with 6 to 8 compartments, this organizer saves space while accommodating multiple items. Expandable from 13 inches to 19.6 inches wide with smooth sliding. Crafted from premium bamboo, it offers a tidy and elegant look. Harvested at full maturity to enhance strength, ensuring longevity. Practical storage solution for organizing various small items efficiently. Eucopia Spice Stack. Drawers glide out and pull down to resting position for easy access to all spices. Patented design brings spices from the back of the cabinet to eye level. Includes 3 adjustable dividers to fit various spice bottle shapes and sizes. Comes with 104 removable drawer labels for custom organization. Quick setup without the need for tools, mounting, or installation. Organizes spice bottles in minutes, enhancing cooking efficiency. Stir Mate Automatic Pot Stirrer. Stirs soups, stews, risottos, chili, polenta, sauces, caramelized onions, cheese curds, and more to desired consistency. Self-adjusts to fit pot sizes ranging from 6 to 9 inches in diameter and 3 to 9 inches in depth. Quiet high-torque motor stirs for up to 10 hours per charge, with a 1-hour recharging time. Variable speed operation with a maximum speed 1.5x faster than previous generations. Attachments available include stainless steel stirrer, thermometer kit, and OMNIXL extra large pot stirrer. Ballerina colander with bowl set. In-one colander set includes a stainless steel colander, plastic fruit bowl with non-slip bottom, center removable lid, and 3 grater attachments. Ideal for washing vegetables, rinsing rice and fruits, straining pasta, and storing food. Rotating pivot keeps colander horizontal, preventing food from falling out during draining. Lid center can be fitted with graters for shredding cheese, veggies, and more. Ergonomic handle, non-slip base, and appropriately sized holes ensure efficient draining and stability. Made of thick, premium-grade stainless steel and food-grade plastic for durability. Wiu glass rinser. Featuring a 10-orifice water outlet and 360 degrees rotating cleaning capability, this glass rinser thoroughly cleans residues from all areas of your drinkware within seconds. Its inclined drainage port ensures efficient water runoff, preventing debris accumulation and maintaining cleanliness. Constructed from durable 304 stainless steel, it promises longevity and resistance to damage. Capable of accommodating various cup sizes, from wine glasses to baby bottles, it offers versatile cleaning solutions while freeing up your hands. Installation is straightforward and user-friendly, requiring minimal time and no special tools. Elite Gourmet Cast Iron Burner. Featuring 6.5-inch and 5-inch non-stick cast iron cooking plates, this cast iron burner offers easy cleaning with a damp cloth. Its adjustable temperature knob allows quick selection of low, medium, or high heat settings to keep food warm or boil water. Dual power indicator lights signal when the burner is on, and non-skid feet ensure stability during use. Compact and portable, it's perfect for school, office, camping trips, or home, delivering efficient cooking with 1500 W combined wattage and dual hot plates. Winop rice dispenser. Crafted with heat-resistant borosilicate glass, this rice dispenser ensures durability and clarity, resisting thermal shock and blocking moisture absorption to maintain grain freshness. The natural bamboo base provides eco-friendly stability, while the bamboo lid and food-grade PP sealing ring offer optimal freshness protection. A one-touch air vent balances internal pressure, and the built-in thermometer monitors storage temperature. Its non-porous materials prevent odors and humidity, keeping flavors intact for long-term kitchen use. Mr. Seeger Soap Dispensing Dish Brush. Built with a sturdy body and non-scratch, odorless nylon bristles, this soap dispensing dish brush effectively scrubs dirt while being gentle on non-stick cookware. The non-slip, ergonomic handle comfortably fits in hand, even when wet, and holds up to 70 milliliters of dish soap. A simple button press dispenses soap directly. The set includes a non-skid holder that catches water drips, keeping countertops dry. The brush head is easily replaceable, ensuring long-term usability. Groundsy Baby Food Maker. Combining steaming and blending in one device, this baby food maker simplifies meal prep and eliminates the need for extra kitchen tools. The elevated steaming basket preserves essential nutrients by avoiding boiling, protecting water-soluble vitamins B and C. Smart digital controls offer auto or manual mixing modes to precisely control food consistency, catering to your baby's taste preferences. Made from high-grade, heat-resistant tritan, the bowl is free from BPA, lead, phthalates, odors, and latex, ensuring safe and healthy meals. Eucopia 2-tier turntable. With 3 top-tier height settings of 5, 6, or 7 inches clearance, this 2-tier turntable adjusts to accommodate different-sized bottles, spices, snacks, or condiments. It smoothly rotates 360 degrees on stainless steel ball bearings, bringing items from the back of the cabinet into view. Soft, non-slip feet prevent damage to cabinets or pantries, ensuring stability during use. Quick to set up, it helps you get organized in no time. Dorai Home Dish Pad. This dish pad is a sleek stone drying mat that provides superb absorbency and rapid drying capabilities, efficiently absorbing moisture to prevent waterborne growth. Crafted from compressed diatomaceous earth and recycled paper, it's encased in woven food-grade silicone, offering protection for delicate dishes while providing airflow. Measuring 19.9 by 15.2 inches when fully extended, it offers generous space for multiple dishes and folds down to a third of its size for easy storage. Nostalgia Hot Dog and Bun Toaster. Toasting up to 2 regular size or extra plump hot dogs and 2 buns simultaneously, this hot dog and bun toaster features an LED-lighted adjustable toasting timer and stop toasting button for preferred doneness. Included mini tongs and hot dog cages keep hands safe when removing hot dogs and buns. A slide-out drip tray allows for easy cleaning, and the appliance cord wrap area underneath the base ensures convenient storage. Master Foam Ravioli Stamp Maker. This ravioli stamp maker set includes a round stamp, square stamp, and roller wheel, allowing easy creation of perfect-sized pasta pockets in multiple shapes. The roll wheel, with fluted edges, can be used for cutting cookies, pasta, or noodles. Strong beechwood handles with sturdy aluminum frames provide a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand strain. Ideal for making ravioli with extra filling, it seals pasta dough for authentic homemade ravioli with meat, vegetable, or cheese fillings. Knee-deep Churro Maker Kit. This churro maker kit allows you to watch dough effortlessly extrude and fry to a golden crisp, providing an enjoyable experience. Begin by preparing the dough, load it into the churro maker, press it out to get the perfect shape, and fry to your liking for crispy and delicious churros. A large needle piping bag filler enables filling churros with a range of delicious fillings, from chocolate and dulce de leche to fruit purees and whipped cream. A Ranlan Electric S'mores Maker. This electric S'mores maker is a flameless, electric S'mores kit that can be safely used indoors, providing golden brown marshmallows. Bringing the traditional fun of bonfires to your home, it's perfect for New Year, Christmas, family nights, movie nights, and gatherings. Simple to operate and clean, just place the heater on the tray, turn on the power, and heat up for golden marshmallows. The detachable tray makes cleaning convenient, and the kit includes a flameless heater, base, one 4-compartment food tray, and 2 skewers. Your home and kitchen deserve a serious upgrade, and these 20 newest Amazon gadgets are here to deliver just that. From clever time savers to innovative tools that add style and convenience, these must-haves are perfect for transforming your everyday routine into something effortlessly efficient and fun. Want to snag the best deals? Check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with your fellow anglers, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on our latest content, tips, and reviews.